Alright, when Madam Glam sent me these, you guys knew I was going to do a tutorial with them, and I am going to ombre these two guys. I don't know if I'm going to add any other colors, but this one spoke to me, so I'm in the mood to do this one. So I already have gel polish on, so I'm going to buff my nails. Cleaning off that dust. And I actually don't have an ombre brush anymore. I used to. I just have no idea where it went. I honestly think I threw it away. So we're here. Now, really, the blue for me was the reason I am doing this, because you guys know, if you watched my video, the blue just spoke to me. I just could not get it out of my head. And so now it's gonna be on my nails, and I'm gonna be making a mess. Perfectly happy. So I'm taking these two, which again, this is like a purpley blue. So I am using, I should have said that. This purple is in Lost in New York, and then the blue is Home Alone. Okay. The great thing about this is it's not gonna take much to ombre. So I'm just taking the lighter gel polish color to mix this up. I like to give this a second to kind of settle and kind of, you know, maneuver. And before I come in, so obsessed. All right, I'm gonna try bringing some buzz in, because this was my favorite of the group. So I think I still like that dark blue, but I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna do buzz in the back. Now, when doing a lighter one, for instance, this is going to be lighter than that blue, so you're going to want to do more of a lighter color than the darker color. I'm not gonna lie, this one would have been much better with an ombre brush. This one was a little bit difficult, but I'm not mad at it. So I'm pretty upset you guys did not see any of the stamping or crystal placement or top coat. I don't even know if I should post this. If I do, honestly, it'll probably be with just music because I am so stinking disappointed. But I love how they came out. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.